Alright guys, today I am in northwest Wales in a town called Caernarfon. I come here to explore one of the most impressive and unique medieval castle in Europe. So join me to do that together. So we are on an entrance. So these are the walls of the town. So let's just go to see what we can find here. So you can see straight away in front of me there are some pubs, hotels. So this is look to me like a tourist area. Check this out, this pub, blue and nice. The streets are not looking very busy. A nice vibe here. It looks like we're back in time in old medieval towns in England. We keep going straight, we'll arrive to the castle. So you can see, oh actually the streets are getting busy, so a lot of bar restaurants. If you're coming here, you can eat here. So this town is located close to the Anglesey, if you heard about. It's exactly in the northwest. There you go, more businesses here if you want to have a food or for a drink. Let's just see what is here. It's a market here, a local market. So if you want to buy something, you can go there. I don't want to buy nothing, so I will not go there. Let's just keep walking, and in front of me you can see is a castle already. So this is not a very big town, it's very famous. You can come here with train, also you can drive, or if you want you can take a bus. But the best way is to come here by train or drive. So I'm coming from Manchester. They are like 3 hours till here. Check this out, these shops, local shops with local stuff. So here in front of me is the Caernarfon Castle. Let me show you how it looks like. I will go to show you the entrance because I want to show you how much it costs if you want to go. I will not go inside today. Just want to show you how it looks like. You see, it's a very old castle. If I am right, was built in 1283, something like that, and it took like 25 years from the castle to be completely built. Check this out, how beautiful it is. So this one is the one of the most iconic and well-maintained castle in Europe. Here we go. So here are the prices if you want to visit. So yeah, you can walk around the castle. So when this castle was finished, the total cost in that time was £25,000. Imagine that. I don't know how much it will be that in today's money, but probably a few millions. Here we go. A nice pub over there with a nice terrace if you want to go to have a look. So you see, this is the castle. So now we're going to explore a little bit the town. I'll show you the harbor here, these beautiful streets. So these are the walls. Here is the harbor. Well, if you drive, guys, you can see it's here a parking also. It's easy to park here or struggle for parking. Let me see. It's a little bit windy today. So all these walls, that one, what I show you on the entrance, they was built in that time when the castle was built. It was like a town in a castle, medieval town. Imagine how beautiful was that, with the markets, with everything. The walls was built to protect the castle and the town from the attackers if somebody tried to attack them. So this is the town center. It's not very big one. So another thing about this Caernarfon Castle is in a UNESCO Patrimonium Heritage. Here we go. Check this out, this car. I thought it's a market today, but it's not. Here we have a statue. I don't know know who is this. Sir Hugh Owen. I don't know who was Sir Hugh Owen. Here we go. Let me show you the castle from here. Beautiful. And this is the statue. Another pub here. So here in front of me is one of the church here in town. A little bit of correction. So I was just checking, and it took like 47 years from the castle to be built. And it says in this castle was live King Edward. Here we go. So yeah, we're going now to walk a little bit to explore the town to see exactly what's happened here. So here should be the town. Let's go on a main street. So if you want to come here, guys, to see what to expect, there you go, more shops here. So here the vibe is a little bit changed. You can see, you can hear the seagulls. There we go. This is the main street, one of the main streets here in town. So we keep going to see what else is here. Some shop, charity shops over there. Go to buy something. So more shops here from kids. Over here it's a barber shop if you want to have your beard and your hair done here in Caernarfon, guys. Let's see what else is here. Check this out, that blue house over there. So yeah, guys, please let me know in a comment if you've been before to Caernarfon or if you heard about Caernarfon, and also if you visit the castle, how is inside, if it's worth it, the money or not. Okay, let's just go to explore more. So you can see the castle from this angle. So let's just go on this side to see what bars and pubs are here. So you can see it's very touristic. So these type of places are very busy in the summer, and after that in the winter they literally just survive with the money what they make in the summer, these bars here, because probably in the winter it's not that busy. Here in Caernarfon, they are the most Welsh speakers community. When you arrive here, you will realize a lot of people are speaking Welsh, so it's very good place to integrate in a Welsh culture and to find more things about Welsh culture. So here we go. This is the castle, and these are the walls. So the walls are going around the town. Here we go. It's a bar over there if you want to have a drink. Let's just see what else we can find here. Next to the walls, let's go on this one. So guys, if you come here, you should try the fish and chips because it's by the sea and it's gonna be fresh and good. Here we go.
Maybe 3.
I like this one. This Greek restaurant is really take you to Greece. Is it? Here we go. Little shops, local businesses. Here is a pub with a beer garden if you want to go for a drink. To be honest with you, I heard a lot of people speaking Welsh, which is nice to see. The official language in Wales is Welsh, but a lot of people are speaking English. Majority of them are speaking English. Did I been on this street? No, I didn't. So here, if you're going that way, you go in a town, and over there it's a water spoon if you guys want to go for a drink. But I'll go in this way to show you more. This street is very quiet, actually. It's not busy at all. I try to imagine how it's gonna look this town in a Christmas time. Here we go. So this is the street what I've been. I came from there. Let's just go in this way. It's a car behind me. Going this way to see what is in this way. They have these colors, these blue colors, so you see them a lot next to the sea, and the seagulls are going crazy. another pub. Let me show you the prices on the food here. So if you want, so this is the prices for the food. If you want to go to this pub, but we're going to explore more to see what else we can find here. You see the walls over there, so they're going around town. The castle is over there. Very beautiful place. So if you're coming to Caernarfon, you are very close to the Snowdonia National Park. So you are literally, I think, half an hour drive from here. So if you're planning to visit Snowdonia, you can come to stay here over the night and just drive to Snowdonia. And also, it's a place like 40 minutes away drive from here, the most wet place in UK. So here we go. We're going here in front of me. We have the harbor. So I just want to show you how it looks like. So from here you can see the Anglesey, which is an island next to Welsh. So let's see what's happened here. Here we go, guys. Windy today. I hope you can hear me. Here we go. So if you want to stay here, you can just walk here around the castle. Here we go. Over there is the castle. So this is the harbor. You see, they do here also some boat trips if you are interested in. Check this out. So there are people who walking here around the walls. Just going this way to see what exactly is happening here, if there are any activities or it's just people who walking. The water is not looking very clean, isn't it? Camping sites, it's over there if you want to camping here. There you go, you see that people in a boat. So yeah, if you want to do boat trips here in a harbor. And if I can see over there in a distance, there are some beaches. So yeah, what do you think, guys? Let me know what you think. Do you enjoy so far? Have you been here before? You can see the stones in walls. They are very, very old. So it was built in 1283. So here it's like some activity, some party. Let's see what's happened here. So it's a pub called Anglesey here. You see a lot of people here. The live music is like a gig. Let's see. There's a live music. Let's just go here to show you the harbor. Here we go. So the water is very low. So yeah, I think I can go from there to walk around to show you because I want to go around the walls. So yeah, let's just go. Rag music. I hope I will not get copyright with this.
Absolutely. Fans in! Have we got any Bryan Adams fans here? Absolutely fantastic. We're going to try for the next 25 minutes or so now, give you a taste of Bryan Adams if you're not.
So yeah, that's nice to come here from live music to enjoy and to have a drink. So yeah, that is going around the castle and you literally end up on the other side of the harbor. So let's just go from here to see what other buildings are here. So if you want to hear live music and to party over the day, here is the place. Let's see how it looks like. Probably in the past on there was water and crocodiles, maybe not crocodiles. I don't know what is this building over here. Victoria County Hall. So this is Victoria County Hall. I don't know. This looks closing to me. Abandoned. Which is a shame to see. You see the stones in a castle. They look very, very old in these walls. This is actually a nice house. That's the entrance in a castle. So if you want to visit the castle, that's the entrance. I show you the prices. Yeah, I'm 100% sure here in the old medieval times was full of water. And over there in the towers was the guards. Yeah, beautiful place. I really recommend you guys to come to visit if you have the opportunity and if you are in Wales. And now we're going where? Let's just walk in this way to see. So there is the town center. I've been there before. More shops over here. It's actually a nice vibe today. Nice weather. It's not raining. It's sunny, hot. Perfect to explore. I heard so many people speaking Welsh, which is nice. I never heard. I've been in Wales quite a lot, but I never heard so many people like here. Yeah, it's a big community speaking Welsh. It's the biggest one in Wales. The biggest community speaking Welsh language. So yeah. Well guys, that's the end of the video because there's nothing else to show you. It's literally just this area. Outside of the walls is not too many things happen, so it's not a point to film. We are like just normal stuff. Anyway, here is some live music. So yeah guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and let me know where you want me to go next time. If you have any other Welsh town where you want me to go to take a video, to make a video. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.